the main feature of this material type is like this is a non-stock. Okay, if I use or if I create any material using this material type, it is a non-stock material. Okay, means I cannot even keep the stock. Even I cannot update the value of this material. Okay, so both will not be possible. Okay, that means I cannot track this material in the inventory, or I cannot track based on the cost. Okay, so that is analogy. That is uh, the non-stock material. Okay, this will be suitable for if I create any spare parts or office materials. Then we use this kind of material type to create a material master. Okay, so next one is the material type is UNBW. UNBW is called as a uh, it's a material type wherein I can store the inventory, but there is no value. Okay, so here both, even the in will not be tracked. I can track the inventory. Okay, I can store it. This particular materials which are created with this material type. Okay, so I can store it. Okay, this is also called as a non-valuated material. This is non-stock material. This is non-valuated. Okay, so non-valuated means I can keep the stock, but there is no value. So there is no value we can track it using any materials which are created out of this particular material type. Okay, that is the difference between non-stock material and non-valuated material. Okay, material type. So earlier these two were already there in the earlier ERP system in other system. Okay, but in S4 HANA they've introduced another material type. Okay, special material type, that is SCRV. It is service material type. Okay, mainly this will be used most of the cases when we need to create a service master data. Okay, case of service material we need to create, I can use this material type. Okay, when I use this material type, you know it, right? The material types are used to control many parameters. So if I select this material type, okay, then the number of weaves that will be reduced, and number of fields, okay, which I need to enter for the material, okay, that will be reduced because it's a service material. Okay, so it should not have all the fields which are required for the material. That's why when I select this material type, the number of views will get changed, and the fields which are required, not required, okay, all those will be changed. And also I can also see here there's a product type group. This specific new field, okay, that will be enabled. Okay, we need to select whether it is material or service. In that case, this product type group, okay, this will comes in the picture when I select this material type as a to create a material. Okay, so that is the these three important and special material types which are available as a material related master data. Okay,
Naveen, can you use the username and password? Password is changed now. Password is welcome at 44.
okay. So for S22 username,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Will come at 44.
yeah. W capital.
So it's just trying to display the PR, right? So because all the things were correct, but it is asking us to the it was not released, right? That error we are getting. So you can see. So this is the pro details. Let us check. Should not be there in the header because so pro details is there, but let me check below. Exception authorized typing comment 6. Okay, let me go to edit mode. Don't see any release strategy tab, but why it was asking for that error? Let me try once again. So we're creating the new one, right? To enter the vendor, to use K here. Shell account cost center, okay. Price is already processing purchase requisition, okay. Come back. Not approved for ordering, requisition 20 not approved for ordering. This evaluation tab, source of supply, status. Relevant for central approval. This is not okay. Maybe this, maybe no. The release. The status is showing in release. Release completed. So do I need to change the status? I guess. So there's we go to ME52N. Okay, chain mode. We try this release completed. It's not selecting. Okay, it's already processing. So this for the first line. Let me try second line is completed. External. So this we cannot do it manually. This should change automatically. List completed. But without any list tab above, it is asking for the release. So it should be there in the item details only. Okay, but here I don't see why it is asking for the release. Not sure. Yeah. However, the features what we need to check, right? So that we already checked it. So only thing is we corrected the error. Okay, well we entered the account assignment data. We entered the price, right, which was not picking from the as per the features, right, which are there from PR to PO conversion. So that we have done. Okay. So only the PO number it could have generated without that error. Okay, if the error was not there. Okay. So that is the thing. So let me show you this manage purchase requisition. Okay. App once. So this is create purchase requisition app. Okay, where will we use this catalog? Okay, or if catalog is not authorized, then we can create the PR. Okay, with the free text. Hello, Srinivas, can you go on mute? Okay, for that we need to go to you can hear me, right? Turn on
Yeah,
it's
I can hear.
advanced. Okay. SF user 22. User ID is correct, right? SAP user 22. Welcome at 44, right?
User ID is not 20.
User ID is not correct.
User ID is S22 user.
Okay, it's 22. Okay. So mine is SF user 84. So that will come in the. Okay. It's 22 user 22. Okay.
No, not 22. 9.
Okay.
S22 user 9.
It's 22 user.
Or 9.
It's 22 user 9. Okay. User 9.
Welcome at 40. Actually,
Sorry, Raghu.
in the meantime, we have to check the Fury is also working or not. We have to.
So that R3 itself is very slow.
Yeah, that's
Not
what
sure how
actually.
this
See, by having this system, actually, how can
uh,
we learn?
says. Does this start a quick tour not required now? I think here nothing is set up, I guess. So this create virtual question.
I mean, the same system. The earlier system was given by the institute, or that
No, institute only.
I don't know. See, you set up everything, and it was there. Fury apps, everything was there, and files,
Mm-hmm.
everything added to the home page, and we were working.
Yes,
All
yes,
of a
yes,
sudden,
yes.
yeah, all of a sudden, actually, they disconnected and they gave the. So if that being the case, whatever the settings we have done earlier in that previous system,
Yeah. This is completely a new system. This nothing will be there. We have to again set up from the scratch.
for setting up itself, actually, it will take whole class.
Mm-hmm. Right. C1C, it is even not showing the apps.
Uh, at least they have to contact everybody.
Hmm.
Big timeline they have to given, and they have to buy the system. They doesn't use the same system. Whatever the data will be there, then everything scratch we have to do. This will not work actually. How we can?
Yeah, this even not loading anything. So let us finish the theory, okay? So otherwise it is waste of time. Let us see when it will open.